Anyways, wait. I have a package from a subscriber, and we should all know she always comes through, because she came through the last time with the big packages. So without further ado, let's get it started. Shout out to Stephanie. Hey girl, love you boo. Guys, I hope you guys are all doing great in these times in your lives. And it's cold, so stay warm, okay? Guys, thanks to all the goodies, I cannot. Girl, bye. Girl. Y'all. Glue sticks. Yes, from my paper pads, which she suggested that I play around with more. Thank you, girl. Glue sticks. Who doesn't love glue sticks? I love glue sticks. Oh, okay. Eclipse Candy Cane Peppermint. Girl, let me find that. Let me see. Okay, I'm trying to hurry up and get it here. Okay, little spout. And they got a candy cane on it. They got a candy cane on it. In my bag. Okay. Let me see. Project Life. We got some themed cards. Cute. I've never seen these. Themed cards. Aww. Aww. That's cute. Like a little thank you note. Red. Oh, look. And it's like grid paper. And then this red one. I don't even know if y'all can see it. I don't even know if you're like close enough or what. But it's cute. This one like polka dot. Cute. Put a little note right in. Aww. That's cute. Peace. Okay? Real talk. Hashtag real talk. Okay? Hey. Hashtag besties. Hey Stephanie, bestie. Okay? Cute. Got a little mustache. That's cute, little mustache. Little mustache. See, I have the camera back there because I wanted you guys to see me going in the box and getting the stuff. Oh, and some big ones too. And then on the back there's sunglasses. You better work. Work. OMG, I'm feeling these because I ain't never seen these. I ain't never used these. But I'm excited. Come on, get up here now. Oh, what's this? Donut time. Get in there. Patience is a virtue. See? Okay. So we have some donut stickers. My recollections. Okay. Donut. Mess with me. Ooh, pretty. Some more stickers by Recollection. Says vacation weekend. And they're like banners. So cute. Sun's out. Let it roll. It's not your problem. That's really cute. Not your problem. All these nice stickers out here. Really, really cute. Okay, sticker. Ooh. Labels. Oh, and that. Oh, yes. Cute. These are really cute. And they're so small. This is perfect for like a mini. Perfect for my mini. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Appointment, party to do, don't forget. And there's 504 pieces in here. Girl, stop. Oh, scented stickers. Girl, stop it. The kids gonna love these stickers. OMG. Cute little hearts and stuff for like Valentine. What is this? Okay. Stay sharp. It has like a little envelope on it. Envelope on it. In it. This is cute. It's for like little notes. And then it has like a little card that says stay sharp. A little envelope. Okay. You've got mail. Okay. So that's cute. What's this? Washi tape. Wait, is this washi tape? Or no, these are stickers. They're stickers. Individual. Get out of here. Girl, listen. I need to know where you got these. Girl, I need more of these. Look at these flowers on here. Individual. I need them. I need like a rows and rows of that. That is nice. And I've been playing around more with washi tape and I need. What you say? Pin and gear, washi tape stickers, bam, more flowers. Individual flower stickers come in a convenient roll. Just peel, stick, and repeat to decorate your planner, journal, or just any creative product. Listen, I need to find out where they got these at. Cause this is ridiculous. Oh my God, so pretty. So guys, okay. Flower, paper, stickers. Oh my God. Flower, paper, stickers. Y'all. I know I'm the floral order. Wait. I love it. Oh. What? This is big. I can't put this on my keychain, but I can put it on my work bag. Pomegranate and vanilla scented hand sanitizer. Let me smell it. That's what I'm talking about. I'm putting that thing right on my bag. Right over there. Going to work. Stencils. Stencils. Fill in the stencils. Oh, this is perfect for my faith journals. Jesus saves, guys. You are my king. He is light. The Lord is my shield. Yes. Prayer works. Jesus saves lives. Pray hard. I know it. I really need these. Because these last few months have been like, for me. Just saying. Thank you so much, Stephanie. I really like these. Next. Look at the little one. Flag stickers. Yep. We got some bills too, important, like reminders, weekend, pretty. Flag, stickers, pretty. Stephanie always go all the way out. I cannot even love. Ooh, what's this? And it has a butterfly. It has a butterfly on it. Now y'all know. Butterflies, flowers, and a pop of gold gives me life. Look at this. Take a break each morning and share a few minutes with God. Let one of the short devotional thoughts percolate in your mind as you go about your day. You will be amazed at the application you will see in your everyday life and the growth you will experience. Nice. I'm feeling it. Thank you. You sent me all the right things, girl. Cha-ching. 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 Wait a minute. Is that a whole gold sheet? Yes. Of bills due. Life. Look at it. Oh my God, guys. And these are so cute with the money. Oh, money. Oh my God. Y'all, look at this gold here. I'm done. Yes. Breakfast made simple. Recipes. Listen, this is how God works. Lord knows I need a little prayer. And she sent like the Moments for Women book and the, spiritual stickers. And I've been playing around in the kitchen. How does she know I was thinking about buying a recipe book? We didn't talk about that. Because I called myself made some shrimp chowder. Oh my God. I never in my life used heavy whipping cream for nothing. Nothing. Or cornstarch. Just saying. Boop. High five, girl. Okay, that's that book. 5-star brunch. Tasty, appetizing recipes. Now see? Crochet. C-R-U-Q-U-E. I never made that. Fancy. Ooh. Coconut blueberry smoothie. Girl, you hit the nail 5-6 times on the head and didn't even break a thumbnail. Quick and easy bites. Now see when they say quick, forward. Quick and easy bites. Ooh, mini Reuben sandwiches. Baked kale chip. I don't know about that. I don't know about no baked kale chip. I'm feeling this. This is like reefer. Moving on. Y'all, it's so much stuff in here. This is another book. I see some beef stew on here. Soup, stews, and bowls. Now is the time for this. Now is the time for this. Oh, it's another little sticker book inside. The scented stickers. I need to take these out for the kids. Take them out for the kids. Okay. Stephanie, girl. Look at that beef stew. Okay, next. Another sticker book for the kids. Scented stickers. Who's else in here? Ooh. Paper. Paper. Floral paper. Stephanie, play too much. Stephanie, you play too much. Get all this stuff you know I like and want and need. Girl, let me bust this paper open and see if this all floral paper. No, I know it probably is. She's so hard-headed. She just be doing the most. Keep doing the most, friend. Do the most, friend. Do the most, friend. Yo, this all flower. Is this a... Let me take this out. Okay, so we have 2 of these, and it's front and back. Oh, cannot. Look at this. Oh my God. Y'all. With a begonia on the back. Oh. Look at this one. This is fancy, like. This, you know what? If you laminate this, I don't have a laminator. If you laminate it, make your own planner cover. What you say? Look at the birds, y'all. It's see-through. This not, I can't cut this up and put it this, no, that's not, no. Oh, Stephanie, you just texted me, girl. You're welcome. Oh, thanks, boo. Flowers. Now, see, she must have knew we were talking about her. Girl, you know, was your ears ringing, girl? Was your ears ringing? This ain't gonna go back on her. I'm just gonna have to put this in a manila folder. How many of you guys always thought it was vanilla folder? Like, vanilla. Go get me a vanilla folder. When somebody say that, you automatically know what they're talking about. Okay, I'm just gonna stop digging over this. Because this one, look at this. Oh, Stephanie. That's so cute. And she put my name on it in gold. With the gold. Get on my nerves. Look. Y'all. I can't. Look. Yes. Bookmark. Look. I know it's supposed to go on my planner, but I don't want the kids to ruin it, so I'm going to keep it in my Bible. That's pretty. Washi tape. Washi tape. Washi tape. From Recollections. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Sure is. Is this blue or black? I can't see. Black, red, orange, green, and purple. Okay. Check with a check. Thank you. I'm excited. I got to get back in my groove, guys. Y'all just got to give me a minute because your girl has been going through changes and things are just different. So, just pray for me. Washington. Everybody loves it. Okay, guys. Oh my God. Another. I don't need any more washi tape for the rest of this year. Oh, look. Christmas, Halloween, fall, winter, like Veterans Day, Independence Day, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, Valentine's. Look. Oh my God. I am done. And it's a lot. It's like thick. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Listen, this has put a smile on my face. Because I was down in the dumps. Look. planner stickers. It's cute. Really, really bright and like party girl, like pink, yellow, blues. TGIF. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Okay, guys. Last but not least, more stickers. More planner stickers. Yeah. Stephanie has outdone herself this year. She gets the #1 subscriber trophy from me. Just saying. Just saying. Listen. I was just starting this channel because I wanted to share my creations with you guys, and then it just took off from there. And I love every one of you guys. I just want to say that. Thank you so much for being here and always coming back, showing me some love, dropping the comments down below, giving me thumbs up, liking this video, and subscribing to the channel. But if you guys think that you like top notch on this, you gonna have to step your game up. I mean, like, I don't even know. I'm excited. And I'm so behind on planning with you guys. I just need to like take a day and just catch up, but I'm just trying to stay busy and stay focused on getting my business up and running. So for the newbies, remember that Miss Bay loves butterflies, flowers, and a pop of gold. Okay? I'm excited. I need to look in these books here. Look in these books about this grocery because, I mean, I have a channel just for me, like eating and all that has to do with a lot of grocery that I mess with. Big girl like food. But if you guys want to follow me there, check me out there, let me know, and I'll leave the link down below to that channel. And it's just me messing around, you know. Hey, I'm trying to follow the trend, and the trend is where the cash is at. So I'm just saying. But thank you so much again, Stephanie. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Everything came right on time. It was perfect. I can't wait to start digging in and using some of this stuff. So once again, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye.